ग्रुप कैप्टन राजेश पांडे सर इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर रह चुके हैं 1 AFSB 4 AFSB एंड वाराणसी बोर्ड के डिप्टी प्रेसिडेंट रह चुके हैं, प्लस DIPR जहां पर ट्रेनिंग कराई जाती है ऑफिसर्स को SSB बोर्ड में साइकोलॉजिस्ट इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर बनने की, वहां पर ये इंस्ट्रक्टर रह चुके हैं। और इंस्ट्रक्टर सिर्फ वही इंसान बनता है जो अपने फील्ड में A1 हो।
It is totally subjective. It is totally subjective. The way you are analyzing that situation, conceiving or perceiving a problem, and thereafter, with the available resources, are you being able to get a solution to it and show your leadership qualities or not is what it matters to us.
So here, Tewari, I'll just request you to just, allay the fears and apprehensions of the aspirants. So क्या है कि we know that no one is perfect, and as assessors we impress on this point कि yes, people are there with flaws. We know that there are problems. आपका जो personality का जो different stages हैं that are covered in all the courses, all the 3 techniques. So at different stage of our development, we have different set of behaviors. So Tewari, can you clear the air on a very important apprehension that the aspirants have, those negative pictures and negative words? और कई मैंने देखा है बच्चों को बोलते हुए कि सर मेरे को आइडियाज नहीं आ रहे हैं उसमें। आई सेड तुम्हें बाकी कैसे वर्ड्स में आइडियाज आ रहे हैं और इसी वर्ड में क्यों हमारे आइडियाज क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं? बेसिकली यू डोंट वांट टू show that कि शायद कहीं कुछ रियल हमारी कुछ कमी ना दिखाई दे जाए इसमें। What do you have to say on this, your advice to the aspirants?
Sir, as far as negative words are concerned, so see, when we give them the briefing, in briefing it has been, it is clearly told to them, okay, you can change the word, its noun to verb to adjective to whichever sense you want to change. You can change the gender. You can change even if you find the word is negative, you can use the opposite of the word also, but do so sparingly. Okay, sparingly means rarely you should do it. Okay, it should not happen that every time you are getting a word is say lazy. Okay, so you don't want to make a sentence on lazy, you can make a sentence on active. Okay, word is say casual, and you don't want to use this word, you can make it you can make a opposite, maybe you can synonyms bhi aap uska use kar sakte hain. Sorry, antonyms bhi aap uska use kar sakte hain. Okay, that is given to him, but do so sparingly. And what I guide when I guide a student, I tell him, okay, you use a negative word in such a sentence that the output of the sentence is positive. Yes. Okay, so for example, say fight. Okay, now fight, if you see, it will give a negative connotation in your mind. But when you say that, okay, army fights a war to win peace. Okay, so now you have used that negative word in such a manner that the output of the sentence is positive and it will be taken as a correct response. Okay, failure. Okay, failure teaches us to work hard. Okay, now the output of that sentence has come out to be a positive output. So this is what your imagination is all about. Okay, so don't get perturbed when you see a negative word. Okay, you can make a sentence on the opposite also, that is totally acceptable to the assessor, but it should not happen that every time you're getting a negative word and you are using the opposite of that word. That is also not correct. And moreover, if you start leaving these kind of words, okay, it gives an impression that, okay, the candidate has got a very restricted imagination and he is not he doesn't have that much of a wide imagination wherein he can give a good sentence or a good thought or a good feeling to a negative word also. So they are purposefully being kept in the entire set. Absolutely. So as to elucidate the imagination of the candidate, whether he can go through, see, everything will not be honky-dory, smooth ride to hoga nahi. You have to actually face the hiccups also, the roadblocks also, and that is what is seen in negative words.